welcome to AllasYummyFood. Today I'm back with another amazing episode. Thank you everyone for sending your video clips to participate in the competition. I have watched all of them and I absolutely love them. Today I have a special recipe which uses Thai homemade rice once again. We are going to be making this amazing salmon poke bowl with rice. Thai homemade rice is so beneficial, it's nutritious, it's full of protein, calcium and vitamins. It is also completely gluten-free. Don't forget to look for the label which says product of Thailand and a little green logo which represents the high quality rice. You don't have to be a professional Thai chef to enjoy Thai rice. Now let's get started. First thing we're going to do is add cold water in a deep bowl and then take your rice and we're going to rinse it in the sieve. So I like to place the rice straight away into my sieve and then dip it into cold water, shake it a few times and a lot of starch will start to come out. If you want to give it extra help, use your hand and just move the rice up and down until all the starch comes out. Place it into a deep pot and then add your water. It's super easy and quick to cook rice. Close it with a lid and as soon as it starts to boil, you're going to lower the heat to the lowest and boil the rice for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, rice should puff up and evaporate and all the water should be absorbed by it. You then just want to turn off the heat and mix the rice a few more times with your wooden spoon. Close with a lid and leave it to stand for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, our rice is completely done. You can use a fork to fluff it up. So just move it around and make sure it's nice and puffy. Now we're going to make our vinegar sauce. So add your rice vinegar together with sugar and salt. Mix it all through until it's all melted. And then add it into your rice. You then want to take your spoon and gently mix everything together, making sure that the rice vinegar with sugar and salt is completely incorporated in your rice and everything is mixed through. Now our rice is done, super quick and easy. We're going to set this aside. Now we're going to make a quick sauce. Add mayonnaise into your bowl together with your sesame oil and add your soy sauce. Add sriracha if you like it spicy. You can adjust these as much as you want. Then add your lemon juice. I like to use fresh. And then mix everything together with a whisk until you get nice, beautiful sauce. To be honest, you can use this sauce for any other fish dishes if you wanted to. It's absolutely amazing. Once you've mixed everything through, we're gonna take our salmon. I recommend using sushi grade or wild caught salmon. Then you want to take it out. I usually have it slightly frozen because it makes it a lot easier to cut into beautiful cubes, just like so. So that's a little tip I can give you. Now our salmon is done. Add it into your sauce straight away. And if you can wait, you can marinate this for at least 10 minutes or so. It will really infuse the salmon with this amazing sauce and the flavor. This is the best part. We're gonna assemble our poke bowl, so you can use literally whatever vegetables you like. I have some radish, avocado, cucumber and green onions. Now I've just magically chopped them up. Now we're gonna start decorating our bowl. First, we're gonna add our rice. You wanna start with fresh cucumber and fresh radishes. Spoon over your salmon in our delicious sauce. Then you want to add your sliced avocado, green onions, your nori sheets if you have some. And lastly, you wanna sprinkle everything with black and white sesame seeds just for this extra flavor and crunch. And there you go, guys. This is how you make salmon poke rice bowls. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to join the campaign. You can participate in this campaign from 16th of March until 15th of April 2021. To enter the competition, all you have to do is make a short video clip using Thai homemade rice to cook any dish of your choice. Clearly show the message product of Thailand on the package. Post the clip on Facebook or YouTube and set it to public. Make sure you also tag the Facebook page Think Rice, Think Thailand and use the hashtag Thai Rice My Menu and Think Rice, Think Thailand. Don't forget to share your recipes with us for a chance to win $300 and don't miss out on this opportunity, as well as supporting this amazing campaign.